Hello everybody, assalamu alaikum. Here I am going to say something about watch, you know, and I believe that you have used watch many times. Okay, and maybe you are still using watch. However, my concern, that means I'm going to say something about watch and my speaking. Okay, so now firstly I want to say that speaking is an art. I have always said that speaking is an art. Just you have to know how to maintain this art and how can you make it glorify, make it beautify. Okay, so this is a process. You have to maintain the process. Okay, here this is number 10 video. I'm making video regularly so that I can be a good speaker. I have always said that, but in this video I will say you that something about watch and its types and its model and its real and standard uses. Okay, so this is not a professional video, just for our speaking purpose. We can use any topic. We can take any topic to say something in English. Just this is the way to learn something. Okay, so here you see this is a wristwatch. So what's the spelling of it? WRISTWATCH, wristwatch. That means we use it at our wrist, or we can see that we use it on our wrist. Okay, so it is it's not a factor, just we have to say. So that's why we are saying this type of things. Here you see this is a circle. In this circle I have taken only two point here on, and it's another. It's not a point. I can say also that it can be appropriate that it is a line, two line. I have taken two line. One is smaller than another, and here you see this is an hour line. Okay, hour line, and it's a minutes line. You can relate it when you use it. So this is analog type. I can say that this is analog type watch. There are many types of watch. Analog, and another is digital. Okay, digital. So there are basically two major types of watch. Also there are many type of watch, and there are many brand in our market. Brand. What is brand? Brand is something that can identify something from each other. Okay, I can say here Rolex. This is very pro. Here I can say that this is important. I cannot say that this is important. I have to say here that this is a very familiar watch brand. Okay, familiar watch brand, Rolex. Here is another one is here, Casio. Is it right or wrong? I don't have the appropriate spelling of the Casio brand. Maybe something like this. Okay, I'm just making this video only for my speaking purpose. We can say, we can describe something, we can describe something like this way. Here my today's topic is watch. So I'm just describing this. You can also try like me, so that you can be a professional speaker. Okay, this is my 10th number video. I have said it before. Here I'm describing watch. Here firstly I have describing that in a watch we see, every watch we see a circle, and in this circle there are 2 or 3 lines on a second line. Seconds, one is for seconds line and another is minutes line, and the last one is hour line. Okay, although I have added here only 2 lines for for describing purpose, not for professional purpose. Here you see, here you see there are 2 bands in this watch. Okay, this is 1 and this is number 1, and here is, you see, this is number 2. There are 2 bands. When we use a watch, we have to add the lines with together. Okay, so this is a very basic rules. When we try to use it from our childhood, we know this from our childhood. Okay, this is not a major factor, this is not a big factor, just I'm saying for only speaking purpose. Okay, so this channel I am trying to learn English. In this in this learning phase I can make many mistakes. Here I am saying, yeah, here I'm writing here mistakes. In this learning time, or in this learning period, I am making many mistakes, but this is not my concerning area. I'm just trying, and I will get something after it's, or I can say also that I can get some outstanding output after this type of consistency. Here in previous video I have said that consistency is main and important things of our speaking. Consistency.